ikihoka ati mateta maya ma atwarithia a matatu na makiria wongerereku wa bei ya maguta thiini wa bururi ni ukorwo ukimurikwo na njira iria yagireire ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Tugithie na mbere ni ati Mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto nianyitete ugeni president wa bururi wa Irani niwe Ibrahim Raisi uria wambikete icera riake gitaroini kia Afrika na ambererie na bururi wa Kenya ukugwataniro gatagati ka mabũrũri maya mothe ikioneka gukorwo ikiambereria undu uria Kenya bururi makorwo makinyitanira thiini wa thoko ya maciaro ma urimi hamwe na mathomo ma technology kuona Iran ni bururi uria uhigireire muno thiini wa sekta ino. Kuringana na Mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto, Kenya ni andikaniire na Iran ati macani ma makiria ma bilioni 4 mwaka uyu makorwo makiendio thiini wa bururi uyu ari ni kuongerera kuma hari mwaka muhetuku na maita matanyihiire manana.
And today, what we want for development and relation, what we want for the relation and development relation between two countries and two governments is absolutely, we don't see any barriers to development of relation between two countries and two nations, and believe that there are no insurmountable barriers for development and expansion of our relations. And I'm sure this could be a right groundwork for expansion in other different fields.
Stronger collaboration with Iran is important for us in delivering agricultural value chain of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. It is also encouraging to note that trade volumes between our two countries have been on a steady upward trajectory. Kenya exported tea worth $28.4 million US, about 4 billion shillings, to Tehran in the first quarter of this year. Kenya is also highly encouraged by the great interest shown by Iran in promoting technological and entrepreneurial innovation among Kenyan youth by promoting incubation of Kenya's startups and creative industry through the Iran House Innovation and Technology Center. This is an outstanding intervention that is innovative and directly aligned with our national aspiration towards creating a digital superhighway and a robust digital economy as primary pillars of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. His Excellency President Raisi conveyed to me information that will be good news for stakeholders in our mechanical and automotive sector, including dealers, engineers, technicians, and other workers. Iran's intention to set up a motor vehicle assembly plant in Mombasa to manufacture an indigenous Iranian vehicle that has now been given the Kiswahili name Kifaru.